Get on my head. 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 Get on my head.
Well, so what is up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel APS Tech. So guys, today I will be unboxing the all new iPhone 14 Pro golden color 1 TB variant, that is 1 terabyte. So guys, let's open the box without wasting any further time. So let me open the box first of all. So guys, let me tell you, if I hit 100k subscribers, that is 1 lakh subscribers within 15 days of uploading this video, I will give away this phone, or I'll buy a new phone and then give away, only if I hit 1 lakh subscribers, 100k subscribers in 15 days. So guys, now let's open this without wasting any further time. So guys, here is the phone. Oh my god, the color looks amazing. So let's take it out. So guys, let me tell you, I'll also upload the PUBG, that is BGMI test of this device, PUBG test, after some time, in a day or so. And the full review will be also out soon, and comparison with the Samsung Galaxy Fold 4 will also be out soon. So here we get some Apple stickers and a lightning cable, but no adapter as usual in all the iPhones, the newer versions. So let's keep it back, stickers and lightning cable. So now we will remove the seal of the device without wasting any further time. Okay, now I've charted it up. I'll transfer my data from my old phone into this one. Okay, let me unlock this. So guys, if you want to enter the giveaway, like the video, share this with your friends, subscribe my channel and comment done, and comment which phone do you have. And let me tell you, I will only give away this device if I hit 100k subscribers in 15 days. Okay, this is not a scam. If you guys are saying if you are getting a phone then I want subscribers, so guys, you can check out the device from the sides. Lightning cable, charging port. Okay, you can check out the side. Fingerprints. Okay, so the fingerprints on the screen of the device. So super soon. Golden color looks amazing. I thought that I would buy a purple one, but the golden one looked pretty better than the purple, though purple was new. So this was all for today's video. Like and subscribe to enter the giveaway. Like, subscribe, share it with your friends, and click the bell icon and comment done. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Peace.